To customize a lock screen clock on the Redmi Note 15, start by opening the settings, and right now you have to navigate into the personalization. Now click on the lock screen, and first of all just pick the clock that you want to customize, and remember there's no way to customize every clock, because when you try to do this with this one, as you can see, we cannot change anything. So we have to pick the style that you are able to customize, and I can recommend you to use, for example, this one. Click on the customize icon, now click on your clock twice, and here first of all we are able to change font style of this clock. So as you can see, you can make it bigger, smaller. I would like to go, for example, this one. And also we can change style of the clock, so depends on the preferences. Now you can click on the font effects, and as you can see, you can even change the color of the clock, but not only clock, because it's also change color of the date, and there's another widget over here. So let's get, for example, this one, and in some other lock styles, you are able to change the color of the additional widgets. In this specific one, we can only change of this one, and we have to click apply if we want to get this style. And I'm just gonna show you where you can actually get two colors. It was probably here when you click font effects. Yeah, as you can see here, we are able to change first and the secondary color. So that's what I want to mention. Thanks for watching this video.